We got a four-wheeler and a wheelchair. I don't know. We're being dumb.
Grab the ski rope.
Let go, because...
Tie it to that right there.
No! Why? No! He holds on.
If he does, you'll drag him for 100.
Drag him.
Yeah.
You'll drag him sideways.
Hey, make sure it doesn't get hung up. Make sure
You ready, get it?
Hey, hold on to it till I get it straight.
I gotta go.
Are you ready?
Get ready.
Oh my God. You alright, bro?
Yeah, dude. Are you okay? We're hitting the bump today or tomorrow. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Are you sure?
Hey, we got some good running room now, guys. We're on a